Now, the last lecture you have to study the soil pollution. Let us start. Today I am discuss with the another one pollution, that is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? The unwanted, unpleasant or disagreeable sound that cause the discomfort for all living beings, that is called the noise pollution. The unit of noise pollution is decibel. The intensity of the noise level is measured in a three different way. When it becomes normal, the noise level is 35 to 60 decibel. When it is more, it is measured 80 decibel, and when it becomes painful, the range of noise level is 140 decibel. Let us start. I am discuss with the intensity of the sound sources on decibel scale. We can see that the chart. In that chart, the different events are given and what's about the noise level in a decibel. In that, volcano eruption having the 190 decibel, thunder 120 decibel, jet plane 120 decibel, factory boiler 110 decibel, trains 110 decibel, cars and bikes approximately 90 decibel, then the barking of dog 70 decibel, loud conversation 70 decibel, typewriting 50 decibel, whispering 15 decibel, and the breathing is 10 decibel. These are the intensity of the some sound sources on decibel scale. Let us discuss with the causes of noise pollution. There are a number of causes, but in that, the ambient noise level in urban area is increasing mainly by man-made sources. The major disadvantages of technological development is noise pollution. The intensity of noise is high in a densely populated area, metropolitan cities, industrial area, airport, railway station, and the bus stations. Then household gadgets like the television, radio, kitchen appliances, washing machine, mixer, grinder, and the firecrackers are also responsible for the noise pollution. In industrial area, the heavy machinery running at the high speed produces sound of different intensities. These sounds adds to a noise pollution. The machinery used at the construction sites, automobiles, blowing horn of vehicles are also responsible for the noise pollution. Now, what is the effect of noise pollution? There are a number of effects are formed by human being as well as the environment. Let us start one by one. The deleterious effect of the noise pollution on the health of people and animal is well reported. Constant noise affects a man physically and mentally. A children's physical and psychological health is hampered by noise. Noise pollution affects elderly person by increasing blood pressure. Other psychological effects seen in humans due to noise pollution are loss of hearing, hypertension, and the stress diseases. Noise pollution is also responsible for the pain, then the vomiting, and many behavioral changes are noticed in people working in factories that produce a huge noise are nervousness, irritations, headache, and the giddiness. The significant adverse effect of noise pollution also reported in animals. The high intensity sound by industries, supersonic aircrafts when continue for a long period of time can permanently damage the hearings. These are the different effects of the noise pollution. Let us start how to control the noise pollution. The noise pollution should be checked at the source only. The replacement of the noisy devices or the parts, effective questioning to minimize the vibrations, then the proper gearing or the greasing and the oiling to avoid the frictions, and using of proper silencers are effective way to minimize noise pollution at the source level. The noise of factories can be minimized by construction of proper soundproof walls, doors, and the ceiling. The factory workers should be provided with the proper earplugs. Then the construction of residential complexes near railway stations, bus stations, airports, and the busy industrial area should be avoided. The loudspeaker should be regulated in a public places, periodic servicing and the pollution test of buses, trucks and the cars should be mandatory to minimize the noise from the engine. Then the action should be taken against the people who are violating the rules of Environmental Protection Act, and the proper development of the green belt plantation of the specific species of trees help to absorb the excessive noise from the industrial and the other noisy areas. These are the different control measures to control the noise.